Welcome to Chuck's Bricks. Just a little look at what's the city going, what's happening in the city. Friday, I'll give you a big overview, but here I am. I took all my cameras I had and I made tourists. Now I gotta get a tourist bus to put out here. I just got the Harry Potter bus right now, and it's becoming a tourist town. There we have a horse and carriage around Central Park. But there's all my tourists hanging around the hotel, and wait a minute, who are these two guys? We got alien tourists at the hotel also. Shouldn't they be staying somewhere else? I think we need to have a hotel for aliens, but there is a look at what's going on in my city. Friday should be a review of all the interesting things in the city, but right now it's just a quick mini view until later. So until we build again, thank you from Chuck's Bricks. Please like and subscribe, and check by on Friday to see the final review of my city.